You are entering into a lot of uncomfortable different things, and it's clunky and it's different. And do I like this? Is it going to change my message? Is it going to change my way I sell? Is it going to change the way I brand myself, my tactics, my strategy? That's what you're doing this week. How many of you are on the right path and are pretty close to that opportunity that you think you want? We're focusing on stretching you to try new things in the way that you communicate and sell. When you want to go connect with people, you need to strengthen something that I call your connecting tool. Learn everything, be as fearless as possible. You have to be proud of what you do, but it's even that much better when other people are proud of what you do. We all do this where we sit down and we pick on something and it becomes a lot louder than it really is. Because the potential that you have when you stretch and understand what keeps you back in this box, once you know these things, the potential of how far you could stretch these things are unbelievable.
The importance of authenticity does come through, and people can actually see it. We sense it.
I'm going to step through it, and I want to look back at that version of myself that's standing in the fear and say, hey, I got this. I can handle this and I can move through it. And everybody's different. You have to care about what you care about, what means the most to you, and that is what people respect. This is not only coachable, but this is the most fixable thing. People want to work with you. People want to interview you. People want to learn what you have because they too want to grab what you have going on. I have a passion for trying to make this business work for you.